Everybody said that's a great looking bike. They want to know if they can check it out real quick. Is that okay? Just for a minute?
Yeah.
So whenever he turns it on, this is an LED light that lights up. Rubber tires, inflate them there. This is his brake. This is his throttle. You turn it on there, you adjust the 3 speeds. I think 5 miles an hour is the slowest. And then the fastest it goes is 10. There's a little storage tank there. And then you have his foot pegs. This lights up and makes sounds, the engine sounds you heard. And then right here behind his foot, if you put water in there, water vapor comes out and these little red LEDs come on, so it looks like it's smoke coming out of there. That's his kickstand. And let's see, you got your gloves, you got your helmet, and your visor, and your leathers. It says official biker in training. Yeah.
I can't believe you bought it. I'm so excited you bought me.
Oh, you're so excited I bought you it? Well, you're welcome, big man. Thank you for showing us your bike, man.
You're welcome. Daddy, can we turn it on?
Sure. Okay. See you later, man.
Daddy, put it on faster.
Oh, you want it on faster? My man.
A little bit of faster.
Oh, a little bit faster.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.